Greetings, comrades! This is Caleb, back with another unboxing video. One I wasn't expecting to do so soon, but, I was out and about earlier, went to my, nearby, Stanton Optical, decided to get some new glasses, and, weren't as expensive as I thought they'd be, just around $260+, because, well, I got scratch-resistant lenses, but I didn't go for the transition lenses, where they, like, automatically tint whenever you're outside and UV exposure and whatnot. So they act like sunglasses as well. But I figured that, nah, I just want regular scratch resistant glasses. But they won't be right till next week. But I finally got that out of the way. I'm finally getting some new glasses. So I'm gonna place these old ass, scratched up spectacles. But anyway, this is sort of a brief unboxing. Might as well get these smaller things out of the way, which can't really unbox this. I decided to get $100 Nintendo eShop card with the leftover money I have for the glasses because, well, I recently bought Darius Cosmic Collection for the console on the Switch, because I probably mentioned before, this isn't available on Steam. I don't know if it ever will be, but I figured, you know what, might as well get it on Switch. I'm glad I did, because I remember playing Darius Twin back in the Super Nintendo, and it was pretty fun, if hard as hell, but you know, that's just me. And I figured, while I'm at it, I might as well get the other Darius games, mainly G Darius HD and the Darius Cosmic Collection Arcade, because why not? And whatever's left over, I'll probably use to get the expansions for Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. That's right. Now, technically I had this when my sister gave us her old Switch, but then my nephew got a new Switch, and he actually took this back, so that's fine. I thought I was going to get another copy eventually, and now I do. And yeah, then we played a little bit of it, and it's a pretty fun racing game. And it does have some expansions, like more tracks and stuff. So I figured well, after this I might get it for that, and whatever's left of that, I'll get some other games on the eShop. But I'm not unboxing those. What I am unboxing is something interesting, which I didn't know that's why I still sold these, but here we go. Yes, I decided to get myself a Dualshock 4 controller. It's a good old PS4 controller, and you're probably wondering, why the heck did I buy this? Because, well, I'm curious how it works on PC. You know, I definitely like the DualSense controller, and especially when you use DSX to kind of emulate the adaptive triggers and haptic feedback and whatnot. Now, obviously, it's not going to work for the Dualshock 4, all that stuff, but you can still use that program for this, so you can spoof it to be a 360 controller or whatnot for games that don't support PlayStation controllers, especially DualShock 4. Power off my Switch real quick, forgot to power it off. And yeah, I'm really curious, never had a PS4, so never really held a DualShock 4 controller before. So this is going to be a first for me. So I'll go check the back real quick. So you see, revolutionary, intuitive, precise. DualShock 4 wireless controller for the PlayStation 4 system defines the next generation of play, combining revolutionary features with intuitive precision controls. Multi-touch clickable touchpad opens up new gameplay possibilities. Built-in speaker and stereo headset jack provide new audio options. Share button makes social interactions easy with instant gameplay video and screen uploads. And integrated light bar combines with the PlayStation camera to precisely track players' position and movements in supported games. So yeah, before haptic feedback and adaptive triggers and whatnot, there was that. Yeah, compatible hardware, PlayStation 4, of course. Now, you can use this on the PlayStation 5, but only when you're playing PlayStation 4 games on the PlayStation 5. If you're trying to play PlayStation 5 games with this, it ain't gonna work unless you use like some special like programming wizardry or get some special adapters. Gears and Tech covered quite a few of those over the years. And of course, recent patches in the PlayStation kind of prevent those from working, but there's always a workaround. Anyway, got my trusty little Sheffield knife here. I'm going to let's see. But I'm genuinely curious how this is going to be. Naturally, I went for blue because, it was my favorite color. Sort of a dark navy blue, but whatever. And naturally, I'm going to charge it before I goof around with it. So yeah, so oddly, despite being a 10-plus-year-old controller, it's still regular price, $65. Well, maybe that is, I don't know. I never really went on my way to buy a DualShock 4 before. Put that off, and yeah, here's the little pamphlet talks about the controller and whatnot. So now I know it should come with a cable. I hope it comes with a cable, otherwise how are you going to charge it? But here's the controller itself. It feels pretty nice in the hand. In fact, it fits pretty perfectly. So there's the headphone jack. Little so I guess for connecting like special headsets and whatnot. Here's a nice little thumbsticks. Yeah, the exact same thumbsticks here are also using the DualSense. So naturally, if you have any control freaks that you can put on here, you can also put on the DualSense controllers. Yeah, D-pad feels nice. Got the share and option buttons here. Got this little touchpad. Feels pretty nice. And shoulder buttons. And here's the triggers, which, yeah, you'll remember the PlayStation 3 controller, the DualShock 3. It's pretty much a copy-paste of the DualShock 2. All it is just made it wireless, added 6-axis controls, and called it a day. And they didn't change those infamous L2 and R2 buttons, which were... They didn't feel like proper triggers, but they fixed that with the PlayStation 4. But yeah, it feels pretty nice. There's that light bar, and yeah, interesting. This uses mini USB, not micro USB. Actually, no, that is mini USB. Micro USB, I meant to say. So yeah, I guess you can charge this with your standard cables and whatnot. This does not come with a cable. Wow. Interesting. It does not come with a cable, but that's okay. I have like 1,000 micro USB cables I can use to charge this thing. I have one plugged in my surge protector right now, so I can charge it there. And actually, I'm going to charge this before I use it and see how it works. But yeah, again, first time holding a DualShock 4 controller. And I'm not gonna lie, it feels pretty good. Now, compared to the DualSense controller, you know, it's kind of, some people prefer the ergonomics of the PlayStation 4 controller. Some people prefer the comfort of the PlayStation 5 controller. You know, it's all subjective, but, you know, I figured while I was at Best Buy, get one of these just to see what it's like. But yeah, that's pretty much this unboxing, and pretty short unboxing. The one thing that needed unboxing, can't really unbox a gift card, and not much to unbox when it comes to the game, but yeah, it's still wrapped up. But all you're gonna see is a cart. That's it. But anyway, yeah, nice to finally have a DualShock 4 controller. I'm curious to see how it plays on PC. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So anyway, yeah, again, this is something I wasn't expecting to do earlier, because again, I went to get new glasses and they cost a lot less than I thought they would, so I used the rest of that money to, you know, get one of these, and of course Mario Kart 8 and eShop cards, so I can get some more stuff in the eShop. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Caleb signing out. You have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,